We're starting off our first couple of days of the new year with 2 rounds of snow on the way. It's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Let's start off with what could be the bigger snow, and that would be on Monday here, where we do have a storm. Now, as of our Thursday morning broadcast, the system is on. We are going to see something from this, at least in the southern part of the Jersey Shore, so Cape May and Atlantic counties. But before we get to that, we do have one minor round of snow to talk about. This is going to be really what amounts to glorified snow showers passing through from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. on Friday night. I do believe from Port Republic all the way down to Cape May in the southern part of the state, you can see a coating up to an inch, and this would stick on the roads. Ocean County, you're in that maybe spot as of right now. It may not even reach that far north, and I do believe if you're in Freehold or Tin Falls or Long Branch, you're going to be dry. Monmouth County would be dry from this. Let's take a look at our futurecast. It's dry for our Thursday, and it stays windy as well. And then most of our Friday is going to be dry too. So anything you want to do outside Thursday and Friday, as long as you're okay with the cold, as long as you're okay with the wind, it's fine. Now, we're going to see this area of snow showers and even a light period of snow pass during the evening. And notice how this only got into Cape May and Atlantic counties. Even if you're in Little Lake Harbor, it could be dry. We'll tighten up those details for you. But we take a look at our future wind gusts. We're going to be in the 30s for today, even a few spots in the 40s at the immediate coast, and then we drop down as we go into Friday here. So Thursday's numbers, well, we're 41 for our high temperature here. Wind chills will stay below freezing throughout the day as winds will howl out of the west-northwest. Then we take a look at our Thursday night forecast. We're in the 20s everywhere, so it's a seasonable night. But when you factor in those winds, 10 to 20 miles an hour, it will feel like the teens and the low teens at that for most of the night. Then we go into our Friday, where we're going to have still a little bit of a breeze. Gusts will be 20 to 30 miles an hour. Dry during the day. Snow starts 6 to 8 p.m. here. Monmouth County is definitely dry. The only places that are guaranteed snow are for those of you in Cape May and Atlantic County, where it would be a coating to an inch. So you'll need a snow brush, but you're not going to need the snow plow, let's say, for your Friday night. And then as we go into the weekend, we are dry. Now, let's skip ahead to Monday's storm here. This is a look at my storm confidence. I do believe whatever we see, it's going to be nearly all snow. In terms of totals, way too early for that. I'm going low confidence on that for now. And in terms of snow for all of New Jersey, I believe the Jersey Shore counties will see accumulating snow, but I think further north than that, it's very possible it stays dry here. Here's a look at our futurecast from the European model. This is what we call a Miller B coastal storm. So the energy starts in the Midwest, moves offshore, and then goes to the north and east here. This is a southern slider. Again, the further south you are, the snowier it is going to be. What I will say is it's definitely cold enough to stick on the roads and the sidewalks because we're going to be in the 30s for highs over the weekend and lows in the teens inland. And over at the coast, still well below freezing for most of the day. And even in places like Cape May, it could snow. But we're going to have more details for you on that as we go into the rest of the week. You can stream Tri-X 57 for the latest news, weather, and more.